Hello everyone, here is my presentation and my topic is challenges faced by e-commerce. Let's start with e-commerce. What is e-commerce? Basically, it is an activity of electronic buying and selling of product, online services over internet. Electronic commerce draw and technology such as mobile commerce, electronic fund transfer, supply chain management. Let's start with challenges faced by commerce platform. Various issues. There are challenges faced by e-commerce such as tax security. Tax rate system in India market is another factor of lesser growth rate in e-commerce. In other country, tax rate is uniform for all sector, whereas the tax structure in India varies from sector to sector. Online transaction. Online transaction is made very easy in present era, as various methods are available for the same through few people fear to pay online due to frauds and misuse of personal data. Online security. Online security need to be provided at every step for purchasing in online payment. Need to make sure in providing secured payment, and it can be seen that at the time of delivery, the delivery person contact to the number provided, which help to know that the package will be arriving at what time. Touch and feel factor. Many people even nowadays have a habit of touch feel, and they by making an order. It can also be done after receiving the product, and if the customer are not satisfied, they return the product, and the cost of delivering of package picking up is borne by the company. Logistic and shipment services. This process is also challenges of e-commerce, as they deliver the item properly without any damage to it. This process needs a lot of patience and proper handling of various type of product. Cash and delivery. This is challenge for example, nowadays every children use gadgets and very keen to learning this on it something. They order thing online as it is very easy and very easy. Fear factor. People fear to order online as there are multiple number of sites which offer product online. This can be frauds. Some accept the advance payment only, which are not possible to trust upon. Poor knowledge of and awareness. Many people in rural area are not aware or have poor knowledge of such online shopping method. There is less marketing done to capture this market. Order cancellation. Many products are ordered and cancelled at the same time. Order cancellation lead to huge cost of company, as many products which are in transit are cancelled and transit cost has to be borne by the company. Let's see the opportunities in e-commerce. Minimum inventory cost. E-commerce need to maintain huge inventory. They mainly do direct business to consumer, which reduce the intermediate cost of warehousing for specific product and expensive showroom cost like huge manpower, high electric cost and rents. It can improve customer service. It has been found that providing both customer and after sales service account up to 10% of the operating cost. Providing right product to right customer help to improve the service. User friendly. The best thing about e-commerce is its buying option. They are quick, convenient and user friendly. One can shop from anywhere at any address, which give customer a more friendly service and ability to transfer fund. Eliminate travel cost. Customer do not have to travel a long distance. They can save their traveling time as well as traveling expense. With few mouse click, customer can make their purchase. 24/7 availability. Consumer can purchase almost anything online a day and get unlimited shopping experience. They need not have to wait for the store to open and take out their time for shopping. With the availability of online business, one can shop from anywhere, either be a workplace or any destination. It helps business globalize. E-commerce by minimizing cost enable company, especially some small ones, to make information on its product and service available to all the potential customers spread out worldwide, minimizing the cost through e-commerce. Social media marketing. The use of social media has rose to a very extent people are seen suffering through. Marketing on this platform can help the brand to be known, and every shopping site are advertised on the platform. So the people keep looking to the advertisement and can shift to the site that time. Sales. The word sales itself attract customers. In India, people tend to buy more in sale. Time to time sales and offer are increasing the number of purchases. Thank you.